Hello everyone, this is the story with the top 10 longest rivers in the world, and the end will be the shortest river in the world ever recognized by Guinness Book of Records. It is so short that a child can walk from upstream to downstream in just a few minutes. But please don't skip the video. Let's count down the 10 longest rivers in the world. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now start with the first river in the top 10. The first river in the top 10 longest rivers in the world is Amur River with a length of 4,444 kilometers. In Vietnam, it also has another name, Black Dragon River. It is one of the 10 longest rivers in the world, and it forms a natural border between the far east of Russia and Manchuria, which is Heilongjiang province of China. The Qing dynasty, which originated from Manchuria, always considered this as a sacred river. The provinces of both countries are named after this river. Heilongjiang province of China, as mentioned, is located in the south of the river, and Amur province of Russia is located in the north of the river. Since 1916, a concrete bridge has been built to cross the Black Dragon River. It is nearly 2.6 kilometers long. This bridge connects Russia and China and allows trains to cross Siberia. At position 9 is Congo River with a length of 4,700 kilometers. In addition to being the 9th longest river in the world, Congo River is also known for other rankings such as the most water-rich river in Africa, the deepest river in the world, or the most dangerous river in the world. When mentioning Congo, it actually refers to one of two countries along Congo River, Africa. The phrase Tet Congo is also familiar to many Americans, but in fact not everyone knows that Congo is the name of two countries in the world. The larger country is Democratic Republic of Congo, located in Southeast Africa, and the smaller country is Republic of Congo, located in Northwest Africa. The capitals of these two countries are on both sides of Congo River and only 37 kilometers apart, which are the closest capitals in the world if not counting Vatican and Rome, capital of Italy Republic. Democratic Republic of Congo celebrates Tet once every 50 years due to poverty, so people have a saying that it's as long as Tet Congo. Congo River also has other names, but later it was officially called as it is now from the 90s to present. This river has the largest basin and flow rate in the world. Every second, it is estimated that up to 35,000 cubic meters of water pour into Atlantic Ocean, equivalent to water volume of 13 Olympic standard swimming pools, and this river is so deep that there is no exact measurement. This is a river with great hydropower potential in Africa. Scientists estimate that Congo River Basin accounts for about 30% of hydropower potential in the world, and this potential can provide enough electricity for all countries in sub-Saharan basin. If most rivers in the world create fertile alluvial plains, then Congo River pours into Atlantic Ocean. Not like that, it pours into a channel with some sections deeper than 228 m, and this river is known for a canyon long 120 kilometers called Hell's Gate. Position 8 is Parana River in Central South America, passing through Argentina and Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, and a small part of Bolivia territory, with a length of 4,880 kilometers. This is the second longest river in South America after Amazon River, which will be mentioned later in this video. On its basin there are some big cities such as Sao Paulo, Buenos Aires, or Brasilia, capital of Brazil. Note that this is Parana River, not Panama River, easy to confuse with Panama. Country name Parana River is shortened from a phrase originating from local language meaning this river is big as sea. Parana River is very important for two landlocked countries, Paraguay and Bolivia. At position 7 is Obertish River, which is hard to read name. It is one of two famous rivers of Russia. Name Obertish River. You see there is a hyphen word because it originates from combination of two large rivers. At position 6 is Yellow River, or also called Yangtze River. Yellow River, translated from Chinese, means yellow river. However, recently amount of sediment deposited in Yellow River has not been much anymore because most sediment has flowed down bottom of river, causing bottom of river to rise, leading to serious floods many years and taking lives many people. Yellow River recently water has been clear and it no longer matches its original name, that is Yellow River. Position 5th. Very quickly we will have Mississippi River, a famous river of America. Mississippi River, then long 6,275 kilometers and longest river in North America. It passes through 10 states including 2 large cities, New Orleans and Memphis. Mississippi River, also famous for being one of hardest spelled rivers in world, with many letters Y, many letters S, and many letters P on its basin. There are also states with same name that Mississippi. Native Americans used Mississippi River for trade, food purposes, and when Europeans came to America it was used more strongly. This river extremely important for America, it main transport route and source drinking water for millions Americans. Interesting thing that there have been 2 people who swam length Mississippi. First person was Slovenian swimmer who swam length Mississippi within 68 days. He also swam along Yangtze. Second person was former U.S. Navy veteran who completed swimming along Mississippi within 181 days. Their simpler way for you see whole Mississippi because U.S. they built highway along Mississippi. Road was built since 1938 and you take about hours drive complete. Now we will enter top 3 longest rivers world. At position 3 that Yangtze, or also called Yangtze, then Long km. Third longest river world, also longest river China. Yangtze, also called Yangtze because originally local people used refer lower reaches, so Europeans came here they used name Yangtze. Whole Yangtze, most important river. History, culture, economy, society. China. If you watch Three Kingdoms movie, then also takes place on Yangtze. Jingzhou city also located on Yangtze, now famous tourist destination. Ancient Jingzhou, where Guanyu lost alluvial plain Yangtze fertile creating %GDP. China. Since Three Gorges Dam officially blocked Yangtze. Three Gorges Dam, largest hydropower dam world on Yangtze. Its tributaries total more bridges all built before then. People usually had cross by ferry boat. Yangtze also divides Syria into 2 parts, west-east Syria. Well, at position 2 belongs familiar river Amazon. Amazon translated Spanish large river. South America, the second longest river world, length km, largest basin, flow rate world. Amazon accounts % total fresh water supply. Ocean's widest part, dry season about kilometer, rainy season up km, estuary can up km. Amazon, also called Sea Amazon, contributes part greenness, lungs, green planet. Amazon forest channel have separate story about Amazon forest. Amazon only longest river world, no bridge across, million people live along banks, rural villages, bustling cities. Brazil, Peru, Colombia have common point, they want cross, have ferry boat. Reason really leads absence bridges, simple because Amazon basin very few roads connect bridges. Investors costly project like bridges but little effect, so people not keen right building bridge about water volume pouring into ocean. Then Amazon largest river world but length still less. Position 1 fact, there have been disputes about length these 2 rivers and here only number 1 position. Nile, then Long km, originates from 2 main branches, equator, East Africa, Ethiopia region called White Nile. Blue Nile flows through Egypt, finally pours into Mediterranean Sea. Calculated passes total African countries. This most important continent Africa. Longest river world. Mentioned Nile besides human culture must mention Nile crocodile. When still young program world animal Nile crocodile made very strong impression. Nile crocodile can long weigh tons, eats meat. Animal species come drink water. Favorite dish mainly fish accounting % food. Nile crocodile, but when can eat almost other animal species except species first hippo adults, second species elephant. Nile crocodile also eats human meat. Culprit about people die each year. Areas Nile flows through. Interesting story about Nile before mentioned. Guinness Book Records recognized shortest river world. U.S. length say extremely terrible, only meters. Average depth meters. Previously shortest ever recorded length meters. U.S. origin story leads shortest ever. Elementary school teacher thought ideas students people area recognized stream shortest ever. Initially stream no name, later students had asked name, authorities place stream as promised. Beginning now story shortest ever recognized. Guinness Book Records since Guinness no longer title their lot. Controversy criteria review. Thank you. Interest story top longest well shortest ever lot. Controversy if find interesting press subscribe channel forget suggest topics make next videos. Science, history, society, very many other stories.